Welcome to Copper Thoughts Media. Here we are with another special break, and I mean special. Usually I do this for Copper Thoughts cards, but today we're doing it for Copper Thoughts Media. Shout out to my boy at 1200Flavors.com. Sent me a gift, and we're going to open this up on cam. I'm not sure what's inside, how the packaging is. I'll put a link up in the description. Ooh, there's some good, oh, I can see it. Just in time for spring. Ooh. What you're seeing, ladies and gentlemen, is a Copper Thoughts Media bucket hat. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. Oh. Okay, putting it on. Oh, it fits my big head too. Nice. What's the flavor? It's 1200 flavors. Gotta back up because I am a, well, maybe just say that on camera. Oh man, give me real. Oh, what's this in here? Ooh. Oh. A ghost face Iron Man bag. Oh, that's sick. Hopefully you guys can see that. Shout out to my man. Shout out to 1200 Flavors. That's beautiful. Oh, good looking out, peoples. Oh, I thought there was something inside. Hold on. Oh, got a Raekwon only built for Cuban links beer koozie or drink koozie. I'm looking for something to put in here. I don't have it right now. And some some Gangstar socks. Gangstar has got to be the sure shot. Oh, let me get it down. Oh, man. Of course, we're just going to put it up here. 1200 Flavors. Reach out to my boy. And a pin. Oh, nice. A Wu-Tang pin. Support people. Especially family. You know? Oh, that's dope. That's beautiful. Man. Wow. Wow. Good looking out. Definitely support 1200 Flavors. I'm going to put the link in the description. Big things to come.